Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Marquise, aka the DJ Daytrader, all up on your YouTube on this Wednesday afternoon. You know what time it is. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, this will be my hot pick for tomorrow, which will be Thursday, February 27th, 2020. Now, before we get into that, don't forget to help me out. That's right, by smash them up. Yep, smash those buttons. Don't forget to like the video, comment. You can subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell so you can be notified anytime I put up some new content, new video, or go live like we've been doing in the pre-market and while we've been trading. A brand new thing we've been doing. So tune in about 6 a.m. my time, 9 if you're on the East Coast for some pre-market action with the pre-market playlist. We'll go over stocks that are moving and grooving in the market, stocks that can make you some money. So definitely check that out. All right, let's get into it with no further ado. Time for my hot pick of the day. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker SQ. That is Square. Now, Square had its earnings after hours today, just a few hours ago, and shares of Square were up more than 5% in the aftermarket today after the payments company posted better than expected earning results for the fourth quarter and delivered an upbeat forecast. That's right, Square posted a net income of $390.9 million or 83 cents a share. A year prior, the company recorded a net loss of $28.2 million or 7 cents a share. So smashed it. That's right, they totally smashed the earnings, and Square's fourth quarter earnings per share increased to 23 cents from 14 cents a year prior, and it came in above the FactSet consensus, which called for 21 cents. Revenue rose from 1.31 billion from 933 million, while analysts were expecting 1.19 billion. So definitely blew the earnings out the water. Square's gross payment volume for the quarter came in at 28.6 billion, up from 22.6 billion a year earlier in the period, and slightly ahead of the FactSet consensus, which modeled 28.5 billion. So just a slight beat there. The company disclosed that 54% of the volume came from its sellers doing upwards of 125,000 in annual gross payment volume, compared with 52% in the prior December quarter. So Square doing big things, smashing those earnings. They got a price upgrade, I believe, a while back, but has been pulled down by this market, but popping back up. So definitely on the rise, on the move. Square doing big things, but as always, we gotta go to the charts because we are technical traders to see what's going on with my hot pick of the day, the ticker SQ. That is Square. Now, if we take a look at Square on the intraday chart, we can see Square closed at 76.59 and boom, got that big pop-up all the way to this $83 mark, about $6.50, and is revolving around this $82.30 mark. So kind of just flagging here. A lot of earnings, they usually pop up and give up maybe half their gains and then pull back. So this is a good sign of strength right here so far with Square. So definitely we'll be watching this tomorrow. Let's go to the daily chart to get a little bit broader look on what Square has been up to this past year or so. So if we look into the daily chart, we can see Square hit a high of 101.15 back here, I believe, sometime in October of 2018, and kind of dumped down to this 54.41 level. As you can see, I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader. So what I did, I took this leg down, which was kind of a range here from this 83.20 to this 54.41. You can see it's been in this range. Let me highlight for you guys. It's been in this range for quite a while, from all the way back here in April or May of 2018 all the way till now, basically between this $54 and $83 level. So definitely it's been chopping back and forth, making moves, but never really pulling above this 83 level up until today. We got that breakout with the earnings move. So let's go back to the intraday chart so we can see where we can expect Square to move tomorrow. All right, definitely tomorrow we'll be watching this $83 top resistance. If we can break over this and hold, let's continue up to this 85.65 level for sure. If not, we could see a slight pullback to this 81.49 depending on the market, or even this blue line. It is the 9 EMA on the daily at about 80 bucks. So even at about $80, if we could hold here, I would definitely remain bullish on Square and look for a move to test back these highs at 83 and maybe even this 85.65 level. Now, Square has an ATR of $3.29, but like I said, in earnings, we could go double, triple, even 4 or 5 times. I've seen their earnings blast through the ATR. So we definitely want to watch this, and this will also be dependent on the market. We'll see if Square has been moving with the market, but sometimes with earning, it can run independently. So we just got to watch these levels for sure. So for tomorrow, you can rewind this video and mark off these levels. Now let's go through them one more time. 83 is the resistance. If we can see a break and a hold, we'll see it continue over to this 85, 65, and maybe even this 86, 96 level if we get some volume. If not, we would want to see this test this 81, 49 and hold. If not, this 9 EMA at 80.08 or $80 mark, we want to hold and then move upwards. Okay, anything under this 79.80 or $80 mark, we might see a move back and fill the gap to the downside. So definitely want to hold this 80 bucks for a bounce on up tomorrow on Square. So definitely write all these levels down. You can rewind the video and pause it and get all these levels because they will be in play for tomorrow. So it's definitely one to watch. It is my hot pick of the day, the ticker SQ, that is Square. There you go. There you have it. Quick and simple today. My hot pick of the day on the ticker SQ. That is Square. That's right. Now, of course, always takes a lot to put these videos together, but all I ask for you guys in return, 3 simple clicks of your mouse can help me out. That's right. Click number 1, you can like the video. You can also comment and let me know what you think. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel, and click number 3, hit that bell so you are notified anytime I put up some new content, new video, or go live. You'll be right there, rocking and rolling, moving and grooving in the market, earning while we're learning, and all that great stuff. So definitely be sure to hit that subscribe for sure. All right, and today actually was a red day for me. I said I would update you guys, so I think I had a loss. Let me look at my P&L right here for today. I think I lost about $65, so I cut my losses really quick. I made a mistake by buying 2 contracts instead of 1 multiple times. I think I did it 2 or 3 times. So yeah, that really killed my buying power because I day trade with options with a cash account. So I'm only allowed to buy as much as I have dollars. So if I have $1,000 in my account, which I do, I can only buy $1,000 in contract for the day. That's it. So once my buying power gets sucked up, I'm done. So yeah, I got done early today. I took a loss of $64, but that's okay. Tomorrow is another day, and it was a small loss, so it's all good. All right, time for me to bounce on up out the door. Oh yeah, forgot, 181 subscribers. Still looking for 1,000. We're moving slowly and surely, and if you do find value in the content I put out, be sure to tell a friend and have that friend tell a friend, and check it out and subscribe so we can get that 1,000. I can't do it without you guys, so definitely help me out. All right, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. Time for me to sign up out the door and get the heck out of here. Man, I'm in the garage today and it is hot. Summertime is just around the corner, but I got to remind you to plan your trade. Trade your plan and stay green. You know what I mean? Till tomorrow morning. Aloha.